So now this will be our prediction for the day on New Zealand dollar JPY. So let's start with our trend first. On our daily time frame, you can clearly see that on our daily time frame we are in an uptrend move. Market is very clearly bullish, right? So this is the full movement right here, a full bullish move. Now for Tuesday, we will be expecting market to actually open and close bullish, right here. We'll be expecting a bullish move for. Why are we going to be expecting that? Is that market has given us a pullback right here. Now that we've gotten a pullback, our next movement is that bullish move that should form a new higher high. So more updates on this will be covered right for you guys. So click on the subscribe button and click on the bell notification so that we'll be dropping more updates and you don't miss out on those updates. Now let's start with our trend. Let's start from here for quick analysis. If this is seen as a higher high, this can also be seen as the higher low. Then this is also the higher high, and here is the higher low right here. Now this is also our higher high, you can see, and here comes the higher low right here, right? Now markets have been able to give us one more push up, which is a new higher high, right? And now this is an higher low market is giving us right here. So with this higher low, we should be expecting market to push up again till it is able to form a new higher high. So this is one of the reasons why we said we'll be going bullish for the day on New Zealand dollar JPY. So whatever you would want to be doing, probably your London section or maybe Asia session, going for the buy right here. So that buy should take out this week. As you can see, we should take out this week. So the bullish move for the day, what we'll be expecting on New Zealand dollar JPY.